welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we are at Gumi, I think I'm pronouncing it right, Gumi Coffee and Co. Now this is again in near Ampang Point, and as you can see here they have some sparkling tea, some cakes and some brownies. This is their grinder, and their coffee machine is this one, 30 Classic. And I liked the menu. The drinks are a bit different from usual. Now I'm gonna try this orange espresso. It's going to be cold, and I'm trying this for the first time. They have things to eat as well, but no, I'm going to have only coffee here. They have a nice seating space as well, so if you can sit and enjoy the view here, view of the road outside, then this is the space. Yeah, this is how it is. So it's a nice cozy place, and it's on the first floor, so it's difficult to find. But when you see Sushi King here in Ampang Point, you just have to climb up. So on the first floor you'll find this place. It's really nice. I like it because probably it's quiet right now, but yeah, they have a nice area. So when you come out here, you can see how busy Ampang is. There we can see that there are some school kids there. That's why there's like a lot more noise. Okay, so let's see how the orange espresso is going to be. I've tried coffee with orange, but that was like milk coffee, not espresso. Yeah, I don't think so, as far as I remember. So let's see. So I'm out now with my drink, and this orange espresso is awesome. So they're really doing a good job. If you want to try coffee at Ampang Point, you must come here once. So this is Sushi King, and the first floor is that place. I was not expecting that coffee with orange will taste this good. I mean, this is really nice and must try drink, because coffee doesn't go well with all the fruits, but this one is like fresh orange juice and espresso, double shots, and yeah, that's it, and some ice here, and it's really nice. So if you are planning to try something different, there's no sugar, okay? So if you're planning to try something different and with coffee, then with black coffee, then this is what you must try. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.